I hate having to do this on a motor I know doesn't have that much time, but when they bring it in and the air filters are see-through, you wonder what they've done to your top end that you rebuilt. Gee guys, when did I post a video on the Banshee top end rebuild? Because this is that motor. We'll get a nice little close-up. Ignition off, throttle wide open. That's not a good sign. Left cylinder. 85, 85, 90, 95 pounds. This is what happens when you don't listen to the guy that builds the motor and get the components that he recommends and explains to you why the components that are on it are garbage. He had cheap pods on it. The pods suck sand. Brand new rebuilt motor. Done. Here, we'll go to the other side. Usually 3 kicks is all I need. 100 pounds. All because of cheap air filters. Don't go cheap on your air filters, people. It saves your motors.